Digital twin is all about having a 3D image on your workstation. So you include the 3D image. So you use a laser scan to make a physical 3D image of your site. Of course, maintain that laser scan, because often people do create a laser scan but don't update it after major maintenance activities. And of course, that's not very useful after a while. And so you have your 3D image. You also make sure that all the important data source we spoke about before, your time series data, your camera data, all the various data sources we spoke about before, really are also fed into the digital twin. So when you sit as an operator or as a maintenance engineer or as an engineer, you sit behind your digital twin workstation with the digital twin, you see on the digital twin, oh, I see something red, I see that this compressor has major problems. I can click on the compressor and get all the information about the compressor. I also make sure I have access to the PID data of the time series data. Also make sure to the asset data. I make sure the digital twin really aligns these three data sources. So when I see that engine I just spoke about, it gives you what fits in the PID, it gives you the asset information about the engine. So all that data is visible in 3D context on your screen. So if you want to do, for instance, also very important for shutdowns, if you want to optimize your shutdown, because you want to know where the focus is, because you have learned with machine learning what the critical components are, which of your critical components need action, or with the digital twin, you can see also how to optimize the planning of your activities whilst you do a shutdown. So these activities, all of these examples work across the same Acuvate 7 steps principle. You define your business problem, you pick up your data sources, and you apply analytics to it. It's always the same story. We can be very consistent. In all cases, we can help you with the integration via Acuvate, and we can help you with the ongoing operational support against an SLA.